Hi, welcome to another IC Real-Time Tech Guide. Let's review how to use the Live View function of our desktop client software Smart ICRSS. To begin, open the Smart ICRSS program. Once the program is open, you will need to double left-click on the Live View icon under the Operations section. After the Live View is opened, you will want to verify that the software is connected to your device, be it an NVR, HDVR, or IP camera. If you see a circle with a red line through it on the device icon, that means the software is not connected to your device. So we want to tell the software to log in. Right-click on the device icon and then left-click Login. After the circle with the red line icon disappears from the recorder or camera icon, the software is now ready to stream video. For this demo, we have an HDVR and an NVR. Each has a channel tree, which we can expand using the arrow graphic to the left of each recorder icon to display every video channel. For this demonstration, we are going to use the default 2x2 display grid. There are two options to start the video streams. We can double left-click on the recorder or camera icon and let the software decide which stream to use based upon the available system resources, or we can right-click on the device icon and select main or substream. Let's select the substream. As you can see, the software has loaded the channel streams in sequential order on page 1, displaying channels 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we click the right page arrow at the bottom of the window, this will load page 2, which will display channels 5 through 8. Moving to page 3 will modify the streams to show channels 9 through 12. Finally, selecting page 4 will bring up channels 13 through 16. If you would like to modify the grid layout that you are using to view all the cameras, you can utilize the icons here in the lower right. Let's switch over to a 9-grid layout. After clicking on the 9-grid icon, the Live View page will switch to a 3x3 grid, but because we have 16 channels, it has automatically divided the camera channels into 2 pages. The first page will load channels 1 through 9, and on the second page you will see channels 10 through 16. The same rule will apply if you'd like to utilize the 4x4 or 16 grid. Just click on the 16 grid icon in the lower right. Once again, Smart ICRSS will begin streaming the cameras in sequential order. If you want to view a camera in full screen, you will need to double left-click on the camera's video window. This will change the view from the grouped grid layout you were viewing to a single quadrant view of the camera you selected. Right-click on the video stream. Mouse over stream type, and from this submenu, you will be able to choose the mainstream or substream. The mainstream being your high-definition stream, and substream being the standard definition stream. Let's select mainstream. Once the stream has changed, you can take a look in the upper left-hand corner of the video feed to verify the video is now streaming the high-definition stream. This small info bar will show the stream type, kilobits per second, and the resolution. Let's change back to the substream. By selecting the substream, you can see the kilobits per second is now markedly lower, and the resolution has been modified as well to reflect the standard 480p resolution. If you would like to return to the 16 grid, you can either double left-click on the single quadrant video feed or click the 16 grid icon in the lower right. Once you are finished watching the live video, you can either close the Live View tab by using the X just above the Live View label, or close the program entirely using the X in the upper right-hand corner of the Smart ICRSS window. This concludes our guide for using the Live View function in the Smart ICRSS desktop application. Thanks for watching. To learn more, please visit icrealtime.com.